Welcome to the Class Notebook Guide. This video will give you an introduction to Class Notebook and help you learn a little bit about its organization. To get to Class Notebook, you open up to the page where there is this waffle of items and you click on the Class Notebook. It will take you to this page where if you're going to set up a class notebook, you click on create a class notebook. But if you already have set up notebooks, then you just say manage notebooks and it will open up all your notebooks and you click on the one that you want to see. And it will take you to that notebook. So the way the class notebook is organized is it has three sections: student notebooks, which is a private notebook shared between the teacher and every individual student. Teachers can write into all student notebooks and see the work in the student notebooks, but students can only access their notebook but not see any other notebook other than their own. And there is the content library. This is a read-only notebook for the students, and this is where teachers can put all their handouts, worksheets, notes, and everything that they want to share with the students. Students can only read. They can pull out from the content library and copy it into their own workspace or student notebook, and then they can write on it. But they cannot edit things that are in the content library. Teachers can write and read into the content library. There is a collaboration space, which is a space where everyone can write things and post things and share, organize, and collaborate together. Teachers have the ability to lock up collaboration space or free it up, or you can also give special permissions for some students or some groups to use the collaboration space as required. In addition to all this, there is also a teacher-only section. So if you're working in a PLC with other teachers, then you can have this teacher-only section where you can post your quizzes and assessments. So only the teachers that co-own this notebook can see that, and nobody else can see it. So, so here's an example of one of the notebooks that I have, and this is the welcome page. So the page that is open, the tab that is highlighted is the page that is going to be open. So you see here, this is the collaboration space, this is the content library, and there is a teacher-only section, and these are all my student notebooks. So each of the student notebooks, and there are more to see, you can see all the student notebooks for this particular class are here. So if you want to access a student notebook, you just click on that particular notebook, and it will take you to the work of that student. So going back. So the content library, you can organize it into sections so that each one is a unit, and then under each unit you can organize it into subsections like objectives for the lesson, and then you can have handouts, and then you can post your PowerPoint notes or other videos and everything here. So if I go to one section, the section that is highlighted here, you can see that each section you can have different pages, and all the pages of that particular section are displayed on the right. So I can go from one page to another by just clicking on this. So these are my different worksheets or notes that I have, and I have posted as different pages. And so that is the content library. So here is where you can put all your material organized unit wise, and then under each unit organize the section wise, and so on. And all you have to do, all students have access to the content library, or if you want to distribute the handouts to the student notebook directly under some section, you can do that as well. And here are all your notebooks that you own, and you can pin this. I have pinned this to the left hand side so I can easily navigate between notebooks, go from one to another. And there is the collaboration space. Under collaboration space, you can have a particular page wherein you can ask students to post the answers, and you can create one collaboration page for each group and give specific permissions to each group so that they can collaborate as one group and access that page together. So like I said, broadly there are 4 sections: collaboration space, content library, the teacher only section, and all the student notebooks. So we'll be learning more about this in the next video. Thank you for watching.